Now that you're ready with your ECA report and IELTS score, I know you are excited to create your Express Entry profile on the IRCC website. When I was in this process, I hadn't kept some details handy. As a result, I wasted a lot of time. So I have made this video to help you avoid these mistakes that I made. This is a crucial stage in your Canadian immigration process, so be calm and carefully fill in each detail. Let's begin. Go to your browser and type Express Entry Login. Choose the first option and you will land on this page. You'll see two options, GC Key and Sign In Partner. Neither is applicable to you right now because you don't have a profile yet. So choose the third option and register as a new candidate. Choose the option Register with GC Key. Now create a username and password by using the Sign Up option. Create your recovery questions, answers and hints carefully. Choose answers that you remember but are difficult for others to guess. You will be asked one of these questions anytime you log in. Remember, the answers are case sensitive. Now your GC Key sign up is complete. Click Continue to go back to IRCC website. Choose the first option from the right hand side of the page. Now that you have your GC Key, you can use it to sign in. Don't panic if the page breaks. Sometimes it happens due to website maintenance work. Start creating your account and fill in your details. Create your security questions carefully so that you can recollect them easily when needed. My questions are all about my favorite thing in the world, food. Once you enter your questions, your account is ready. Time to create your Express Entry profile. You probably won't have a personal reference code, so select Express Entry. First, you will need to fill this questionnaire to check your final eligibility, so take this seriously. I had made the mistake of selecting Quebec as my province of interest. Now, Quebec has its own immigration criteria, so I instantly became ineligible. Don't make this mistake. Let's exit and get back again. Even though I was ineligible, my Express Entry application process has already begun. I need not start a new application, so just select Continue Profile and start again. You may select any province to begin with, then fill in your details for the questionnaire. I will go a little fast here since these are usual details. Just be mindful that your funds and family members must be as per IRCC requirements, else you will be ineligible. Once you successfully complete the questionnaire, you will land on the Express Entry profile page. Now start filling in all these details. Be careful about age and contact details. Don't make any spelling mistakes in your email ID because this will be your primary source of correspondence. You will receive all alerts and emails from IRCC here. For your language details, keep IELTS TRF form number ready. This is on the lower right hand corner of your scorecard. Carefully fill in your ECA report number so that IRCC can fetch your details easily. Keep your mark sheets and degree certificates handy so that you can easily look into the start date and end date of each document. Keep offer letters and relieving letters ready so that you can refer to them again to refer to your start date and end date. Select your NOC code beforehand, even before you start creating your Express Entry profile. You can do that while creating a profile as well, but personally I don't prefer that option because you tend to get confused about which NOC to choose and it breaks your concentration. So complete the process while you're waiting for your ECA report and IELTS results. These same details apply to your partner as well if they are coming with you to Canada. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Express Entry profile. You are now in the pool of applicants. You won't see your CRS score right away, but you will receive an email from IRCC soon. It took me 2 days to get the IRCC email and see the actual CRS score on my Express Entry account. Sometimes people come back to me saying that why their profile is not eligible even when they have filled in all the details correctly. Most of the time, the cause is Funds. Please check the funds that are required by IRCC if you're applying alone or with your family members. If it falls short of the required amount, you will not be eligible to apply. I hope with the help of this video, you are able to create your profile on the first try. Keep all these points in mind so that you don't miss any important information required to create your profile. See you again next week with another interesting video on the Ontario Nomination Program.